What is the best e-commerce marketplace software? Deepak Chauhan Rajput says, Silkroot is the best and perfect e-commerce solution to launch your marketplace. Silkroot is easiest way to start your own online marketplace. Get started in less than a minute and launch today. No downloads, no installations, and all without the help of a developer. Silkroot handles all the shipping, logistics and online payments. It is easy and simple to use. Yuho Makonnen says, it depends on your needs. What type of marketplace are you planning to create? Physical products, digital products, services, rentals, etc. What kind of business model you have in mind? Commission from transactions, fee from posting listings, ads, etc. Your budget, and how fast do you want to get started? Our approach with our marketplace CMS Sharetribe is simple. We want to be the easiest way for anyone to create, customize and manage their own online marketplace. Anyone can create their site in just a few minutes and customize it to their liking. No programming skills needed, and there's no need to install anything or manage your own server. We take care of all that. It's completely free to use for the first 30 days, and after that our plans start at $39 per month. If you wish to give it a try, you can create your own marketplace site at sharetribe.com. Ankur Pandey says, online marketplace is a type of e-commerce site where product or services is provided by multiple third parties or vendors, but the monetary transactions are handled by the marketplace operator. Like Flipkart, where same products are sold by multiple sellers or vendors, but you pay money to Flipkart through their payment gateway. Here the delivery is done either by seller or by the marketplace if they are holding the product in their in-house inventory. Online marketplaces are the primary type of multi-channel e-commerce. Thanks for watching our video on what is the best e-commerce marketplace software.